It takes a beating up animal to pull them all away, rushing me around and it's sending me astray. Don't you lie to me as we finally got a handle on the doors that we open and shut. Packing all my suitcase cause I'm going far away. I'm going to a place where the credit cards don't decline on me as we finally got a handle on the doors that we open and shut. She took her time, took my mind to forget mine. Me and my frame of mind, we took our time. She took mine. Remotely secluded in this faraway place, heading to a land where everything is okay. Don't think suddenly that you and me got a handle on the doors that we open and close. Can you take a little time, go balance your ways? Cause everything we do and we put on display, maybe you and me are a little the same. So what do you think of, or what do we make? She took her time.